For real. This is the best day ever.
Nike got me right.
Designed by you, man. Let these people know that you gotta stay creative every day of your life, bro. Ain't nobody got nothing like this.
Okay, so we at Lenox Mall. We just saw Doechii. She's down here. She's looking cute as ever. Princess, you know.
Doechii just came and surprised us with an exclusive shopping experience.
Coca-Cola Roxy. We're about to see Doechii.
We're super excited. I love this merch. It's very soft and cute. Got the back, all the tour dates. We got the sweater for you.
Big Doechii, big DOE, reverend for the BAP.